Good day everyone, so this is the Group 2 Technovation. Arduino 9 Autolite.
List of materials, Arduino board, and a compatible version of Arduino Uno Mini, one servo, one light sensor, one 220 resistor, one 10K resistor. Breadboard for smooth circuit meetings without soldering. Jumper wires, male-to-male jumper wires for connection. USB cable to connect the Arduino to a PC for programming. Computer with Arduino IDE installed for coding.
We are excited to introduce our group comprised of four dedicated members. First is Bart Dunella, Briar Jovelin, Monte Christian Dave, and Ribagoda Joshua. Together, we bring diverse perspectives and expertise. Our primary goal is to discuss and make you all understand the Arduino challenges that were given to my group. Today, we look forward to discussing our insights, challenges, and the potential impact of our work in these Arduino challenges. Thank you for joining us, and we're eager to engage in this conversation. Arduino 9 Autolite, we created an automatic light activation system that responds to ambient light conditions. When the light level falls below a certain threshold, an LED lights up, and a servo motor is activated to perform a designated action. This project showcases the interaction between sensors, actuators, and the Arduino platform, demonstrating how we can automate responses based on environmental conditions. We built an automatic light activation system that intelligently responds to environmental light levels. By activating an LED in a servo motor when light levels drop, we demonstrated the practical applications of sensors and actuators in automation.
Source code. Code explanation. Auto light sensor with servo and LED. This code uses a light sensor to control a servo and an LED. How it works. Number one, light sensor reads the ambient light level. Number two, if light level is above threshold 500 millisecond, LED turn on the servo mode into 180 degrees. Number three, if light level below threshold, LED turns off and the servo moves into 0 degrees. Code waits 50 milliseconds before taking the next reading. Components, light sensor analog input pin 0, servo digital output pin 9, LED digital output pin 13, adjustable threshold. The light threshold value 500 can be adjusted to set the sensitivity of the light sensor. Next.
So that's how code. So that's how output works if you compile the code. Reference HTTPS www.arduino.cc. Credits Professor Dr. Earl Marquez Albina for teaching us Arduino. Programmer Mante. Assembler all of us. Video taker all of us. Editor Brier, Rebagoda, and Mante.